Good afternoon, Jaguar Math students. Sorry I can't be here with you today. Ms. Littleton and I are busy planning the end of the year incentive, and Ms. Clemens was kind enough to give us an afternoon in order to do that. But I feel like I'm leaving you in very good, capable hands with this video and Ms. Rich as your substitute. So hopefully you guys have a good afternoon and you enjoy today's lesson. I really think you're going to like it. Today's learning goal: you can represent by variate categorical data using a two-way frequency table. This first launch just kind of gets us started with thinking about what's going on. This table, what I like about it, it clearly shows that what type of rock music the AM and the PM listeners prefer. So if you look, the punk music, the soft rock, the classic rock, the metal, those are what the AM listeners prefer from the survey, and the PM listeners prefer are also listed over here. So the table does a really good job of that. What I feel like it could do a little bit differently is maybe they could combine the results in one table instead of having to look in two different places, which is where the two-way frequency table comes into play. It will show the bivariate categorical data of a population. So in this population, there was 100 people surveyed, as you can tell from the total down here at the bottom. The two-way frequency table displays the counts of the data in each group. So as you can see, we've got fans of the team, whether they were home or away, and people who watched the game. So as you look here and how the information was broken down in this next picture, each cell in the table shows the count of the data that falls into that group. So for instance, 42 represented right here means that 42 home team fans, they were home, and yes, they watched the game. There were 18 who were home fans but did not watch the game, and when you add 42 and 18 together, you're going to get 60 home team fans surveyed altogether. 25 down here, for instance, represents the total number of fans that did not watch the game. 75 watched it, 25 did not, 100 altogether. And if you scroll down, if we keep going with notes, what I love about these tables is the fact that when you take the total number of home fans plus the total number of away fans, you get 100 total. And look, if you add across, 42 plus 18 is 60, 33 plus 7 is 40. So you have 33 away that watched the game, 7 away fans that didn't watch the game, which is 40 away fan totals altogether, which is 100 if you add those up. But at the same time, look over here. You have 42 home fans that watched the game, 33 fans that, yes, watched the game from away teams, 75 total. 18 plus 7 is 25. And then take it across. This is what's beautiful. 75 plus 25 is also 100, which you're going to get right there. So everything adds up perfectly in the rows and in the columns. As we were talking about, that